Hello. Today, I will share 100 daily English sentences that you can use in your everyday life. First, when you meet someone, you can say, "Hi, how are you?" or "Good morning," and then add, "Nice to meet you." You can ask, "What's your name?" or "Where are you from?" and continue with, "How old are you?" or "What do you do?" If you haven't seen someone for a while, you can say, "Long time no see," or "It's a pleasure to meet you." In daily activities, you can say, "I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth every morning. I take a shower after exercise. I have breakfast at 8 a.m." Or, "I go to work at 9 a.m." You can also say, "I take a short break at noon. I go shopping on weekends. I cook dinner for my family. I read books before sleeping. And I go to bed at 10 p.m." While shopping, you might ask, "How much is this?" Or, "Can I try it on?" You could say, "Do you have this in a different size?" Or, "I would like to buy this." It is common to ask, "Can I pay by card?" Or, "Could you give me a discount?" You might also say, "Where's the cashier?" Or, "I need a bag, please." And, "Do you deliver at home?" Or, "Thank you for your help." When traveling, you can ask, "How do I get to the airport?" "Is this the right way to the hotel?" "Could you show me on the map?" Or, "I need a taxi, please." You might ask, "How far is it from here? What time does the bus leave?" "I'd like to book a ticket. Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby?" Or, "I'm lost. Can you help me?" In restaurants, you can say, "I'd like to see the menu, please. Can I have a glass of water? I'm allergic to nuts." Or, "What do you recommend?" Other useful sentences include, "I'd like this dish, please. Could you make it less spicy? Could we have the bill, please? Is service included? And do you have vegetarian options?" At work, you can say, "I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I need to finish this report. Can you send me the file?" Or, "I'm working on a new project." You can also say, "Could you check this document? Let's discuss this later. I need some help with this task. Please call me back. I'll send you an email." And, "Thank you for your cooperation." For health, you might say, "I don't feel well today. I need to see a doctor. I have a headache." Or, "I exercise every morning." Other sentences include, "I try to eat healthy food. Can you recommend a good gym?" "I drink 2 liters of water daily. I take vitamins regularly. I need a prescription, please." And, "How often should I exercise?" When socializing, you can say, "Do you want to hang out? Let's meet this weekend. I had a great time today. Congratulations on your success." Or, "Happy birthday." You can also ask, "How's your family? Thank you for being a good friend. Can I help you with anything? Let's celebrate together." And, "I miss you." For asking questions, you can say, "Can you help me? Could you please explain this? What does this mean? Can I borrow your pen?" Or, "Where can I find a supermarket?" Other phrases include, "Can you repeat that? Could you speak slower? How do you spell that? What time is it? And, could I have some water?" Finally, common daily expressions include, "I agree with you. I'm sorry. Excuse me. That's interesting. I don't understand. Can you help me, please? That's a good idea. I'm learning English. It doesn't matter." And, "Have a nice day." By using these 100 daily English sentences regularly, you can improve your English speaking skills, build confidence, and communicate smoothly in any situation. Practice them every day, and soon you'll be able to speak English naturally and fluently.